me when I was filming my makeup montage, but welcome to the vlog. Hi guys, if you are new to my channel, I'd love if you guys hit that subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today I'm going to be vlogging. I'm bringing you guys along with me for today. I just got ready. It is like 1 o'clock right now. Honestly, I woke up kind of late, slept in, didn't work out this morning, but I did go biking, so I did like a 10-mile bike ride around my neighborhood, which I am feeling it. It was really hot. And yesterday, yes, I went to the pool and I'm super sunburned. It hurts really bad, but you know, that's not stopping me. We're still vlogging, we got things to do, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along with me today. So I tried my best to do my makeup. I've never really done makeup before with a sunburn. I'm wearing this tank top because my sunburn hurts really bad, so it is like a strapless Lily Pulitzer tank top. It's super cute, but guys, you have to see this pile of packages I have going on. I've been getting so much stuff in the mail this week. I'm so excited to open this up with you guys. Honestly, I haven't even opened everything and I just been like setting it there. I'm like, I'll do it for the vlog. It'll be great. So we're gonna open this up because I'm super excited to share everything with you guys. So I'm gonna get you guys set up on a tripod and we're gonna do like a mini little haul right now before I have to get going, because I am going out to a family like party thing at the park. I know that sounds really weird, but that is the game plan for today. So I'm gonna open these up. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this mini like unboxing slash haul. So the first package, I just got this in the mail today. It has no label on the packaging, but it is a piece of clothing. This is from Shein. I will have everything listed down below. This is just a blue and white dress. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so it's like this really fun little dress. I think it's so adorable. It's just this really cute blue and white dress. I'm so excited to try this on and style it. I've been wearing so many dresses this summer. They're just perfect for the summer heat and everything. So I'll have this list down below. It's so cute. It has this little tie detail in the back and I'm so excited to style it. So the next thing I got was this super cute sweatshirt, and you guys might have seen this in one of my recent videos. It is this monogrammed pullover from Letters by Alex. This is her little business card. And it is so cute. I will have her Instagram listed down below if you guys want to check it out, but she does a lot of sorority type sweatshirts and everything. I just got a monogrammed one because I'm not in a sorority, and I just think this is so cute. I've been wearing it like crazy because during the summer it still gets chilly, or if you're in the AC all day, it is just so nice to have this. And I think honestly it'll be perfect for back to school or just for the upcoming fall, which is so crazy. I'm already talking fall, but you know, it happens. Next package I got is this white one. I pre-opened these. Again, I'm horrible at opening packages up on camera. So this is from Palm Beach Sandals. I'm so excited. They reached out to me and we are actually going to be hosting a giveaway on my Instagram, which is just at Kellyprepster if you guys want to check it out. But I got to pick out a pair of sandals so that I could shoot them with my outfits to share them with you guys. And I picked out the all white sandals and I just think these are absolutely gorgeous. I've been wanting a pair of white sandals like this for so long. They've been on my like dream shopping list for as long as I can remember, and I just never picked them up. I love them. I got them in a size 7. I can't wait to style them. I think I'm going to be doing a photo shoot later today, so I'm going to try and style these super cute for you guys. I just think they're so stinking cute, and they seriously go with everything. And I love Palm Beach sandals. They look a lot like Jack Rogers, but in my opinion, they're so much easier to break in. Like I could literally wear these all day today and not have any issues. With like Jack's, it takes me like a solid week to break them in, but they're very cute. And if you guys want to shop these, I'll have them listed down below. And the last package I got is a super big one, low-key very heavy, and it's from Teddy Blake. I am so beyond excited about this. I think you guys might have seen a what's in my purse video by the time you're watching this, but it is just so stinking exciting. You guys might remember I have a red Teddy Blake handbag and I absolutely adore it. It's one of my favorite handbags that I own, and I got a pink one this time. Isn't this so me? It's so cute. With this extra strap if you want like over the shoulder strap, but I personally love having little bags have a handle, and it's just so pretty. So it's nice pink leather. It's so beautiful, and it just has these 2 zipper pockets on the side, and you guys will see more of this in my video. So if you want to click the card, I will put it there so you guys can check it out and see all the deets on my new purse. But I just think it's so cute. It says Teddy Blake on the bottom. Seriously, just love working with them. They're like the sweetest company ever. But like I said, I need to film that video, so I'm going to do that, and then I have to get ready to go to this little family party that we're going to. But that was just like a little haul that I wanted to share with you guys because it's been piling up in my room all week. Look at the aftermath. Just a hot mess right now. It's all this garbage. It's worth it for a haul. So I'm going to film a video and then we're going to get ready to go to this party, and I probably won't bring you guys along with me at the party just because I don't want to shove my camera in my family's faces, and a lot of them from out of town, so I haven't seen them for a while, but I'm really excited. But I'll be sure to share my outfit with you guys and everything. So I'm going to get some work done and I'll keep you guys updated. So I just finished filming that video like I told you guys I was going to, but I just swapped tank tops. I know I wore this recently, but my family hasn't seen it, so you know, we're gonna wear it again because I think it's super cute and it's just so perfect when it's so hot outside. So I'm gonna show you guys my outfit in my big OOTD mirror in the background, and we're gonna get going. So please ignore the huge mess in the background of my room. That is from the haul and just filming and everything. So this is just what I'm wearing. I have on the Lily Pulitzer tank top. It's so cute. It's like vintage Lily. I've been wearing it like crazy this summer. My favorite pink chino shorts and my sandals that are from France. I just think it's super simple but really cute and just a perfect like family picnic day at the park outfit, I guess. So this is just what I'm wearing, and I got my hair in this cute little braid to pull my bangs back and everything. I just think it's super cute and super simple. So my brother's driving us and he's like asking us to leave now, so I have to get going. I'm gonna leave my camera here because last year when I went to this, I left my camera in my brother's car and totally forgot to vlog. So I'll update you guys once I get home, and I hope you guys are having a great day. I went home, refreshed, did my hair, and added a little bit more makeup, but I am out doing a photo shoot right now. I'm so excited because behind us, you can't really see right now, there is this huge sunflower field, and I'm so excited. Last year, we tried to get a photo shoot done here, but when we showed up, all the sunflowers were gone. We were a little too late on it. So I'm super excited to do it today. I think it's gonna be so much fun, and we're just gonna get some cute Instagram pictures. Again, if you haven't checked out my Instagram, it is just at Kellyprepster. Go check it out. I post a ton of outfit pictures and I love being able to connect with all of you guys on there. But we're just gonna take some outfit pictures. It's super cute. I'm super excited. Finished the photo shoot. I have this super cute gingham top on from Shein. I got it in a recent haul slash vlog, I'm not really sure, but it's so cute, and I just added this J. Crew bubble necklace with it. The pictures are going to be so adorable. I'm so excited. But so I'm going to go home now. It's been a busy day and we got like a little bit of a drive, but I'm going out with my friends tonight. We're going to a soccer game, which I'm super excited about because if you guys didn't know this, I used to play soccer, so I'm so excited to watch a game. I think it'll be a lot of fun, so I just got to get ready for that and do a few other little errands and everything. So I just finished editing the what's in my purse video. I think you guys will really like it. Again, if you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's super fun. The purse is just absolutely darling. I love it. But I need to get going because I am going to a soccer game with my friends like I mentioned earlier. I'm not sure if I'm going to get any footage or not, and if I do, it'll be on my iPhone because I do not want to bring my camera and like leave it there or break it. I'm just not going with a bag. So I just have my iPhone and I have my design skin case on it, so it just has my cards in the back. That's literally all I'm bringing. I changed outfits. I think you guys will really like this, and if I have any clips of the soccer game, I'll insert them right now. And I think it's going to be so much fun. I'm so excited. Soccer is really big where I live. Like more recently, I used to play soccer when I was younger, so I'm just so excited to go watch a game and everything. I haven't played it for so long. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for following me along. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. The question of the day is, do you play any sports, or did you play any sports when you were younger? I'm curious. Leave your answer in the comments down below. I'll get back to you. I love responding to all of your comments. You guys make me so happy. But I hope you have a great day. Have a great week, and I will see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!